Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm back with another awesome product from Nelson Rigg. This here is going to be the Nelson Rigg gear line. This is the Hurricane 10-liter roll bag SE4010, and this should be an awesome thing because it's 100% waterproof, so you can put your luggage, your extra luggage you take with you. I have the saddle bags, tail bag, tank bag, but you also sometimes when you go on a bigger trip you want to carry more luggage and you don't want to get wet. Anything that you definitely don't want to get wet, that's what you would want to put in here because you're going to be 100% protected, waterproof, and dust and debris proof. This is a super tough roll bag, and it is the Rigg Gear Adventure line, so it's super good quality material. Let me bring the camera up for a closer view. Okay, so this is, like I said, this is the Rigg Gear Adventure line 10-liter Hurricane roll bag. This thing has electronically welded seams. You can see these seams along here, so they're electronically welded, which means they are going to be super waterproof. You ain't gonna have no problem with leakage because this thing is made out of super strong PVC tarpaulin. So it also does have these buckles on top. What you do is you get this thing loaded down with everything you need and you roll it up. You at least want probably a few wraps. After you get it a few wraps, then you want to take this thing, fold it in the middle, run around and buckle it. Now you can buckle this thing from either the front side here, I call the top side, or the bottom side. Either one would work. And then once you get it rolled up like that, there'll be air in it. You can actually push the air out, make it more compact by releasing this valve right here on the side. Just turn it to open it, push your air out, tighten it back, and now you're back to watertight again. So inside the bag, once we open it up, we have some instructions here. Tells you how you can strap it, different ways of strapping it onto your motorcycle or ATV, UTV, whatever you want to carry this in. You can use this in a lot of different situations. And then in here we have the Rigg strap system, which is super heavy duty buckles. These are not plastic, so these are actually metal buckles with metal fasteners that lock tight. You can see right here it says Rigg straps. It also does say that these Rigg straps can also be used as a separate tie down system. So, as I said, this does hold 10 liters. The dimensions of this is actually 15 inches long by 8 inches wide by 6 inches high, so pretty much 6 inch here by 8 inch by 15. And we have lots of different mount options. Say here we got some Molly straps on top. On the back we have a rubberized pad here, so wherever you mount it on will be a lot tougher with this piece on here. Also a non-slip to help it grip a little better when you got it mounted. Alright, I went ahead and stuck my jacket in here, some of my microfiber cloths that I carry. Go ahead and throw that in there just so I have something in here to kind of demonstrate it when it's actually not even full. We could cram a lot more in here. So this is just a lightweight jacket, and then I'm going to go ahead and roll this thing up. Buckle it here, get some air out of it, so nice good fit that way. So on your bike you could take and mount it. These DUALSPORT saddlebags actually have some D-rings on the top right here. Also there's a couple D-rings on the side of my tail bag. I've got places on my rack that I could mount it, so I could mount it here through the D-rings on the saddlebags. I can mount it here through the D-rings or on the rack back here of the tail bag and use the Rigg straps to securely strap it down. Okay, so these Rigg straps, once you release this, they're actually pretty long. You can see stretched out, they're going to be really nice and long, plenty long to go around this and around anything that you want to strap it to. Right now I'll probably just go ahead and strap it right here. It'd be nice, it won't bother me right here with my feet here, and I'll have it strapped here, not too far back onto my exhaust. I don't want it near my exhaust. And then I can strap it through the rack and then on the D-ring on my DUALSPORT saddlebag. So all I want to do is go right through here. I'm going to go through my rack. There's a nice place in this rack. So I'm going to bring it back up through this one right here. Let me zoom in here where you can see this. So this strap has a hook right here on the buckle part, so we just slide this into here like that and it securely locks in with the hook. Push our lever down, pull it till we're snug. Like so. And it does have the elastic just like a lot of Nelson Rigg stuff does. We could tuck this under, that way we're not flapping in the wind here. And then we'll do the front the same way. Okay, there we go. So I took 2 of the 4 straps, strapped it down on here. If I had another one of these, I could actually put another one on this side. I'll have to get another one later. That'd be the perfect setup for me, is to have my bottle holders, my tail bag, my DUALSPORT saddlebags, the watertight roll bag, tank bag, and everything. And I am set up ready for a big adventure. So super nice. Get the other one on this side, be a perfect match. And this thing's nice and secure. It's not going to go anywhere, and even looks good. So when I'm sitting on the bike, it's going to be a perfect fit. I can set my feet right there. Really nice. Alright guys, so that is the SE4010 10-liter Hurricane roll bag from Nelson Rigg Gear Adventure. Super nice, nice and compact because it's 10 liter. Now they make a lot of different other roll bags and stuff. This is a super nice one for DUALSPORTs because of a nice compact size. And as I said, when you put this on here, anything you put in this, no matter what your other stuff is doing, whether you're waterproof or not, everything you put in here is going to be 100% waterproof. You're not going to have to worry about it. Built super tough. And it also has Nelson Rigg's lifetime warranty, just as is everything that I have here. Carries the lifetime warranty, so that proves that they're quality. You put a lifetime warranty on something, you know it's going to be good stuff. I will post a link below to Nelson Rigg. If you go to their site, use the code below, which is Woodzman20. You're going to save 20% off your order. Anything over $50, you're going to get free shipping. The bottle holders, which is my last video, I made a video of the tail bag, the tank bag, and all the saddle bags. I have all the videos, but I will post a link to Nelson Rigg below where you can get all this stuff in their Rigg Gear Adventure line. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Ride on.